In today's fast-paced world, machines are more than just tools, they are essential drivers of progress across various industries. From agriculture to manufacturing, these innovations help us achieve greater efficiency, productivity, and growth. At Sam Tech, we explore the incredible ways machines are transforming our work and helping us reach new heights of success. In agriculture, automated machines like self-driving tractors, drones, and robotic harvesters have revolutionized farming. These technologies increase efficiency by automating tasks such as planting, irrigation, and harvesting. By integrating these machines, farmers can manage larger fields, reduce labor costs, and boost crop yields, ensuring food security and sustainable farming practices. Construction machines, such as cranes, bulldozers, and concrete mixers, have made it possible to build complex structures with precision and speed. These machines handle heavy loads and perform tasks that would be impossible or too dangerous for humans. By using advanced construction machinery, companies can complete projects faster, reduce costs, and improve safety on job sites. In the manufacturing industry, automation has become a key driver of efficiency. Machines like robotic arms, conveyor systems, and 3D printers have transformed production lines. These technologies allow manufacturers to produce goods faster, with greater precision and lower costs. By embracing automation, companies can scale their operations and compete more effectively in the global market. Transportation machines, including electric vehicles, high-speed trains, and autonomous drones, are changing how we move people and goods. These innovations offer faster, safer, and more sustainable transportation options. By adopting these machines, industries can reduce transportation costs, improve delivery times, and contribute to a cleaner environment. Machines play a crucial role in energy production, from traditional power plants to renewable energy sources. Wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric generators harness natural resources to produce electricity. These machines are essential in reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and promoting sustainable energy solutions that drive economic growth. In the healthcare sector, machines like MRI scanners, robotic surgeons, and automated diagnostic tools have revolutionized patient care. These technologies improve the accuracy of diagnoses, reduce the time needed for treatments, and enhance patient outcomes. By incorporating advanced medical equipment, healthcare providers can offer better services and expand their reach to more patients. Communication machines, such as smartphones, computers, and satellites, have transformed how we interact and share information. These devices enable instant communication across the globe, facilitating business, education, and personal connections. By leveraging advanced communication technology, industries can collaborate more effectively and operate on a global scale. In the retail industry, automation has transformed the shopping experience. Machines like self-checkout systems, automated inventory robots, and AI-driven customer service tools streamline operations and enhance customer satisfaction. By adopting retail automation, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and create a more personalized shopping experience for consumers. Mining machines, including autonomous drills, loaders, and crushers, have improved the efficiency and safety of resource extraction. These machines enable miners to access hard-to-reach areas and extract valuable resources with greater precision. By utilizing advanced mining technology, companies can reduce environmental impact, increase output, and lower operational costs. Food processing machines, such as automated sorting systems, packaging machines, and cooking equipment, have increased the efficiency of food production. These technologies ensure consistent quality, reduce waste, and speed up the production process. By incorporating advanced food processing machinery, companies can meet the growing global demand for food while maintaining high standards of safety and quality. Financial technology, or fintech, has transformed the way we manage money. Machines like ATMs, online banking platforms, and automated trading systems have made financial transactions faster and more convenient. These innovations reduce the need for physical branches and provide consumers with greater control over their finances. By integrating fintech, businesses can streamline operations and improve customer experiences. Warehouse automation, involving machines like robotic pickers, automated guided vehicles (AGVs), and smart shelving systems, has revolutionized logistics. These technologies improve storage efficiency, reduce labor costs, and speed up order fulfillment. By optimizing warehouse operations, companies can better meet customer demands and scale their business more effectively. Precision engineering machines, such as CNC machines, laser cutters, and waterjet cutters, have advanced product design and manufacturing. These machines allow for the creation of highly accurate and complex components with minimal waste. By adopting precision engineering, manufacturers can produce higher quality products faster, driving innovation and growth. AI-powered machines, including data analytics platforms and machine learning algorithms, are transforming business operations. These tools analyze large datasets to provide insights that help companies make informed decisions. By integrating AI-powered tools, businesses can optimize processes, reduce costs, and identify new opportunities for growth. In the textile industry, automation machines like robotic looms, digital printers, and automated cutting machines have transformed fabric production. These technologies enable faster production, greater customization, and reduced waste. By adopting textile automation, fashion brands can bring new designs to market more quickly and efficiently. By advancing aerospace machinery, companies can drive growth in the aviation and space sectors. Industrial AI machines, including predictive maintenance systems and AI-driven quality control tools, are optimizing operations across various industries. These technologies analyze data to predict equipment failures, optimize production processes, and improve product quality. By integrating industrial AI, companies can reduce downtime, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation in their operations. Machines have become indispensable in our journey towards growth and innovation. At Samtech, we continue to explore how these powerful technologies are reshaping industries and helping us achieve new levels of success. As we embrace the future, it's clear that the role of machines in our work will only grow, opening up endless possibilities for progress and achievement.